Hi guys, it's a beautiful fresh start. A new video, new things going on. Let me give you outfit of the day courtesy of an empty brooder. Kuku tulikuwa tuna brood hapa last week, tumemaliza. So we are doing a lot of preparations, brooder preparations, a lot of cleaning. Yeah, but outfit of the day. Today it's a green, brown, black affair. Oopsie. Kuna kuku ndogo hivyo like 4 days, I think 4-5 days today tumeleta hii wiki. Ziko kwa a certain brooder imekuwa empty for some time because sometime we give it time to breathe and yeah, I'll show you. There are 4 days. We are going to sell them and brood them at the same time. Guys, the temperatures of a brooder, whether ni mchana, whether ni usiku, they have to be a bit high. So yeah, that's why kusweat ni lazima. But anyway, hizi ni chicks ziko na around 4-5 days. Tunawapea chick start. We are brooding them as we sell them. Yeah, allow me to give you a small tour with a small details. Yeah, but as of now tunawapea starter. Easy. This is what I mean by starter. Ukiangalia consistency yake, it's a crumb, so it's not very easy kumwaga mwaga, but that's a brooder. We have brooding bulbs, although sahi ni mchana, so kuna joto kidogo na tumeka backup ya jiko kiasi. Lighting, lazima to make sure there is good lighting, ventilation, air circulation, joto, etc. But basically this is a brooder. You see? Quite spacious, ndo kuku wana move vizuri vizuri. Tume raise drinkers kidogo ndo zisiweke uchafu ndani. I don't know what these things have their right terms, but yeah, basically that's all. Another empty brooder, another preparations going on. Do you guys ever go through empty brooders? Yeah, sometimes. Few times, but sometimes. But nitawaleta huku next Wednesday, I think. Ama Tuesday, Wednesday. Tutakuwa tumemaliza kutayarisha huku and we restock new chicks. So in case you need chicks in Nairobi, wherever you are, I supply. Made it. That's Kanunga Waterfall. I think this is mara kama sita nimekuja huku. And I always have fun. I love it. You see? Beautiful experience. Let me give you a better view. Hi. I hope you're happy to make it again 1 year later. beautiful waterfall. Yay! In my 30 waterfalls before 30 challenge, Kanunga is number 8, if I'm not wrong. Okay? You had fun? Me too.
The second time.
Yeah, maybe it's like the 6th time. And every time I come here, I enjoy sana. Beautiful, beautiful waterfall. Yeah, sorry. It's such a beautiful day. Nimesimama kwa jua nikauke because waterfall experience. But the river, beautiful, beautiful river. Beautiful, beautiful forest. Tumetoka Kanunga. Twanyita fararo negothie reu. Twathiĩ kũ? Twathiĩ nginya gũtuke. Let's go and chase another waterfall. Yeah, tunaenda mpaka giza ingie.
We are going to chase another waterfall.
Waterfall number 2. Let's go and find it. Like a pose. Hi. Hey, look at that background. Oh,
Nice.
yes. At least once in your lifetime, you should do Muranga. Because this is Muranga County. Naona huku kuna barabara. And we shall go. Yes. 2 of the 4. Yeah. Hi guys. Waterfall number 2 of the day. For his challenge here, 30 waterfalls before 30. This is waterfall number 9. And it's beautiful.
Epic. This is beautiful. Sawa tuzie. We are leaving the Twin Falls. Now we are going to our third falls. And the experience was awesome. The Twin Fall experience was awesome and nice. And I loved it. Sasa kung'ang'ana na kupanda milima. The girl is so cutesy, so demure. She's chasing waterfall. The Kabebs is happy because of chasing waterfall. However, she's tired because this is not a joke. Panda. The Kabebs is tired.
Tumenyeshewa, we had fun, tunaenda nyumbani. Kunakaa kunyesha, but let's go.
You want to run?
Yes, you want me to?
Wanjiru.